Good morning, Monza. Hi friends and family, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, please don't be shy to like, comment and subscribe. It's very nice here and I release top tier content. And if you're a returning savvy, a regular tequila, thank you so much my love for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Today it is Wednesday and we are current to the weekend period. Today I'm going to the internet. I need to go to the internet cafe to print out and scan some documents, and then I need to come back, pack this house, pick up some things in this house because we are moving. We are relocating from Northwest to Gauteng maybe. I'll share that in detail in the next vlog, I think. So yeah, and then later on I have dinner with friends, someone like a goodbye thingy, you know, the last supper. So we're gonna have dinner today at 6. It's just like a cute dinner, like nothing fancy, just dinner with girls. Yeah, and thereafter, yeah, that is my day for today. So internet cafe, pack, dinner. That is my activities for the day. So yeah, let's get on to it. It's very hot outside, that I know for sure, but yeah. Also I need to go and get press on nails because my nails, they don't look bad. I did this myself, but I don't know. But if I don't get the nails that I want from the beauty supply, then I'll just go with these. So yeah, let's go. My outfit, the top is from Total Sports. I'm wearing skinny jeans from Legit and sandals, like nothing to write home about. So hey, the moving thingy is stressing me out, but at least the moving out thing is stressing me out, but at least I found transport, so they're right. Anyway, let's go. Child, when I tell you that today was a fruitless exercise, dude. I went to the internet cafe and I printed the documents and forgot the one document that I really needed. I forgot it. And then I went to the beauty supply. I didn't get the press on nails. Yeah, and I went to go and look for packing boxes. They don't have. And then someone is calling me. Hey, Pantla. Yeah, that's my highlight for today. So I quickly wanna have lunch because the time right now is like 10 to 3. I wanna have lunch and take a nap. I'll start getting ready by 5 because we need to meet at the restaurant by 6 for the dinner. For the girl dinner, like my energy levels are down. Yo, Hi girls, we currently at Vlogmas and we're gonna have our early dinner, but it's not early dinner. What time is it now? At 6, after 6. So yeah, after 6. So yeah, we are at Vlogmas. I didn't even show you my OOTD, but I'll do that just now, or I'll show you the pictures. Kid Courtney, last supper. Last supper. Last supper. Yo. Ngaze ngagoa. Nto wethi about everything. Nto ngikuthisa motho fela ka I'm leaving you guys. Like not like the rest time and but they born. But my home soul members great man. Mara. Go with them for real. Good morning, Monza. Good morning. Welcome to another day of the vlog. I forgot to tell you that it is Vlogmas episode 3. So yeah, we are in Vlogmas episode 3, darling. So today it is Thursday. I'm feeling the energies are very up, so yeah, I want to show you the progress that I made yesterday in terms of packing. It might seem like it's not much, but it's much, ne? So I want to show you the progress of the packing. Let me show you. So this is the progress. In here it's clothes, and then in there it's bags. It's my bags, and then in here it's also clothes, but in here it's laundry. And in here it's miscellaneous things that were in this drawer. So I need to also pick up my makeup drawer. But another thing that I'm done with is my chest of drawer. So as you can see on top, I've packed most of the things, which were my bags. I've packed them, and then all the drawers are now empty, like literally. So today I'm tackling the kitchen. I need to go and get boxes today. Hopefully I have another place in mind that I think I might get boxes. So I need to go and get boxes so that I can put my plates, glasses, kitchen stuff, and what's this place, and shoes. I have a box that is full of shoes. I need another one that is gonna pack other shoes, and then I'll have to tackle the bathroom. But the bathroom is not much. The bathroom is really not much. So yeah, and then I'll be done. I can't believe it. Like, guys. Anyway, catch you when I have the boxes. So yesterday, my friends got me these farewell gifts. I love them so much. Like they honestly didn't have to, but they did, and I'm grateful. I appreciate each and every gift. Like these girls, man, you know what, I'm so grateful to have met my friends this year. Like, I feel like this was just the perfect time to have met such individuals in my life. So yeah, I'm not gonna do an unboxing. I feel like these gifts are sentimental, so I'll just do my own unboxing. And cause I'm not in the mood to be crying on camera. So yeah, that is what they got me last night. Date update, we are almost done. I got 2 boxes actually, but everything that was in there, it's packed up into both boxes, and everything that was also in there is in here. So now what's left is for me to pack the carpets and take out the trash. Then I'll be done and disassemble the fan, the coffee table, and then I'll be done. I'll just be waiting for the movers. Oh, but yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with the progress. So next time when you see me or when I update, I will be loading things on the vehicle we'll be loading things on the bakkie next time when I update you guys, and we'll be heading back to Johannesburg. Can you guys tell that I'm tired? Like, I'm really tired, but I'm glad that I'm done with everything. One woman yeah, guys, anyway, see you in the next slide. I am happy to announce that we are done.